it?
What do you got,
What do you
Paige? What did
got?
Grandpa send to you? Oh, that's not my lion. Oh, we love those books. What else is in there? What else did you get? What's that? Ooh.
What is that?
Is that a bug book? It's about... Uh-oh. It's about... What? What do you see?
Oh my goodness.
What's in there? Okay, we'll come back to that.
Like it?
Do you like it? I think it's about spiders. What else? Ooh, what's that? Diary of a Spider. Yeah, spider. Do you say thank you very much, Grandpa? Can you say thank you very much? Good job. Ooh, what else? Paper. Yay.
We'll keep the paper and send the books back.
Oh, you want to play Ring Around the Rosie? Hi. Okay, gotta go. Gotta play Ring Around the Rosie.